India's 16th most populous and 10th largest state, Chhattisgarh attained an identity on November 1st, 2000, when Madhya Pradesh was split into two. Today, this state in central India is one of the country's foremost economic hubs, contributing significantly to India's productive output. Naya Raipur, the emerging capital city of Chhattisgarh, will become a modern, futuristic city whose design has been inspired by elements from many modern cities. This will be India's first planned capital city in the 21st century, as well as the fourth planned capital city in India post-independence.
छत्तीसगढ़ की भावना, छत्तीसगढ़ की कल्पना के अनुरूप एक ऐसा कैपिटल बने जो आने वाले 100 साल के लिए लोगों की आवश्यकता पूरी करे।
राजधानी का निर्माण के अंदर उन सब बातों का ख्याल रखा गया है जो आज की नई आधुनिक तकनीकी आधार पर निर्मित शहर में होना चाहिए। नया रायपुर शहर के अंदर डेवलपमेंट में एयरपोर्ट से लेकर के रेलवे स्टेशन तक यहाँ BTS सिस्टम को भी इस बात को फॉलो किया गया है।
नया रायपुर एक ऐसा आधुनिक शहर होगा जहाँ गांव का आदमी भी लगेगा कि मैं रायपुर का हिस्सा हूँ, शहर के व्यक्ति को लगेगा और उसके साथ साथ विकास के लिए, व्यापार के लिए बेहतर व्यवस्था है।
The master plan takes into account the inclusive development of those settled in the area. According to the city's village development plan, the original villages and settlements in the Naya Raipur area have not been displaced. Instead, they have been integrated into the development of the city. In line with the government's policy of inclusive development, housing is being provided for all families whose land has been acquired by the Chhattisgarh government for this project. Housing will be divided across 21 residential sectors, each one a sustainable, self-sufficient and pedestrian-friendly neighborhood. All citizens will have access to education, healthcare, recreation, entertainment and shopping at convenient locations. A new city brings with it unknown fears and apprehensions.
How will Naya Raipur attract new educational premier institutes?
Well,
get the world know about it, like it, invest here is a daunting task.
It's going to be a challenge for them.
I don't see any way in which authorities can fulfill the needs of water supply.
पर मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि इस बदलाव से ज़्यादा कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा।
Just naming it a future city is not enough. They have to justify it.
I have my doubts.
The vision for Naya Raipur is of a green city with sustainable development.
Considering the rate at which population is increasing, surely Naya Raipur will deal with the problem of water supply.
Water problem is a global problem.
दरअसल मुझे तो और कोई रास्ता नहीं दिखता जिससे अधिकारी वर्ग खुद शहर के दोनों क्षेत्रों में पानी की जरूरतों को पूरा कर पाएं।
The water supply system in Naya Raipur employs a hydro-pneumatic pumping system, which maintains constant supply and water pressure in the entire city. This system eliminates the need for overhead water tanks and helps in ensuring zero wastage of water. The amount of water being used by the residents initiates the pump operation and flow of water. With increased consumption, the system draws water from many pumps. As consumption reduces, the extra pumps switch off, saving on electricity and water. Naya Raipur has adopted zero discharge based decentralized sewage treatment for better efficiency with maximum recycling and reuse of water.
Healthcare, sanitation and other basic amenities like adequate electricity must be planned for in the new city, Naya Raipur.
हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी, पर अगर ये लोग इसे भविष्य का अत्याधुनिक शहर कह रहे हैं तो इन्हें लोगों की खातिर उनकी मूल ज़रूरतों को तो पूरा करना चाहिए।
We have planned meticulously for everything of this kind: infrastructure, healthcare, educational care, other activities. We have some of the best hospitals here. We have some of the best educational institutions of national repute. We have other facilities coming up very fast.
We have a policy of zero carbon footprints in which we use energy which is non-conventional as well as high-end technology. We have a solar power plant at Mansalya which is already installed. We have a street lighting system which is LED based, in which energy is consumed much less than the normal street lighting. We have a system, high-tech system, in which the lights are dimmed at night and alternate lighting is done after 12.
They may have got some space to build a futuristic city, but is there going to be enough space for making wide roads?
अगर आप मुझसे पूछते हैं तो ऊंची इमारतें बनाने में काफ़ी जगह लगेगी और जो जगह बच जाती है वो सड़क और बाकी चीज़ों को बनाने में बांटी जाएगी।
Naya Raipur stands on the three pillars of transportation, telecommunications and logistics. The road network in Naya Raipur is based on the concept of having the best roads in the world. Over 75 kilometers of the road network has already been implemented, and the next phase, covering of over 60 kilometers, is under implementation. Swami Vivekananda Airport, located in Mana, is just 5 to 7 kilometers from Naya Raipur and offers flights to the major cities and towns in India.
Naya Raipur will also have rail connectivity. According to NRDA's plans, Naya Raipur will be accessible through 4 railway stations.
Metros are a more attractive option for the bigger companies you know. Maybe if they are provided with liberal tax structure or something to that effect, they might as well consider investing in Naya Raipur.
देश में अकेला छत्तीसगढ़ है जिसमें 24 घंटे बिजली हम इंडस्ट्री के लिए, एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर के लिए दे रहे हैं और सरप्लस पावर वाला अकेला स्टेट छत्तीसगढ़ है जहां आपको आने वाले 10 साल 20 साल बिजली की कमी नहीं होगी। स्टील के प्रोडक्शन में हम बहुत बेहतर स्थिति में है। सीमेंट, एल्युमिनियम देश का 20% छत्तीसगढ़ में उत्पादन होता है। तो मुझे लगता है जहाँ बिजली है, जहाँ सीमेंट है, जहाँ पे एल्युमिनियम है, जहाँ लोहा है और प्राकृतिक संसाधन जहाँ छत्तीसगढ़ में है, तो आप छत्तीसगढ़ आएँ और छत्तीसगढ़ के इन सुविधाओं को लाभ लें।
नया रायपुर को डेवलप करते हुए इस बात को भी हमने कहा है कि बिजनेस हब भी बनाएंगे, बिजनेस सेंटर भी वहाँ बना रहे हैं। यहाँ तक कि हमने उसके अंदर नया रायपुर के अंदर इस बात को भी प्राथमिकता दी है, ट्रेड सेंटर की स्थापना भी हमने वहाँ पर की है।
A city can prosper only with the quality of residents it has. Education is the key to growth and development. How will Naya Raipur attract premier educational institutes?
इस मामले में मुझे ये दुविधा दिखाई देती है कि आज भी शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में मुंबई, पुणे और दिल्ली को लोगों ने प्राथमिकता दी है। ऐसे में नया रायपुर को बहुत अच्छा करना होगा जिसे वो सबकी प्राथमिकता बने।
Naya Raipur aims to be an educational hub of the country. More and more premier institutions are offering courses in Naya Raipur. India's premier educational institutions already have a presence in Naya Raipur, including IIM, IIT, Hidayatullah National Law University, IHM Hotel Management Institute, among others.
Most cities do not cater to sports. At least they are not serious in developing an infrastructure for sporting events and world-class sports.
बुनियादी परियोजनाओं को बनाने में ही लगभग सारा समय और सारा जगह लग जाएगा। आखिर आवास स्थान बनाना भी तो ज़रूरी है। फिर कहीं जाकर शहर में जो जगह बचेगी वहाँ पर स्पोर्ट्स सिटी का निर्माण हो सकता है।
काफ़ी अच्छा स्टेडियम लग रहा है, एक अच्छा लग के एक ग्रांड स्टेडियम लग रहा है और सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट जो जैसा आप देख सकते हो काफ़ी अच्छा बनाया हुआ है सबके लिए।
I think stadium is one of the best stadiums in India I've seen and काफ़ी spacious है, काफ़ी बड़ा stadium है।
I think it's a good thing that you know the stadium's in Bulger and a lot of cricket's coming out for the youngsters. You know they're going to come watch more cricket and play more cricket.
छत्तीसगढ़िया सबसे बढ़िया।
सरकार और वो भी व्यवस्थित, कम से कम सुनने में तो अच्छा लग रहा है। खैर, भविष्य में आने वाले शहर के लिए अच्छे प्रशासन का होना ज़रूरी है।
Naya Raipur is a smart city. For the first time, this concept is to be used in a very holistic way in Naya Raipur. The surveillance system, security system, the whole city is under surveillance using this smart city project. We have a control room from where our street lighting, our sewerage system, our water supply, electricity network, everything is to be controlled from that cockpit. We can control it from a single computer or a handheld mobile device.
The Capitol complex houses all government departments under one roof, enabling smooth administration for the people. The Mantralaya building, called Mahanadi Bhavan, and the HOD building, called Indravati Bhavan, are already operational.
नया रायपुर छत्तीसगढ़ के 2.5 करोड़ लोगों का, उनके सपनों का रायपुर है। आप आएँ, आपका नया रायपुर में स्वागत है।